And so this is, and again, I'm going to keep harping on this a little bit of where, like, I don't want people to get caught up in where you feel like, oh, like I have to do things in like a Web3. Everything has to be centralized. Everything has to be a contract. No, like you actually need to actually have some of these, again, traditional Web2, type of stuff in there to actually have a product that people can use. Maybe that's going to be better in the future, but right now, realistically, like this stuff is okay. Like build out the normal APIs like you would. So here's the example that here's how we started to do it. So in our API structure here, really started very simple, and it's just basically like a node based backend, and that handled things like, again, bots. We handled then, the actual minting process. And then we also handled all our logging. And this became really important because what happens sometimes is you get stuck in Web3 where like your only log becomes the on-chain transaction. And that's fine. That's the point of it, right? Everything's transparent. You can go on there. But like, let's talk realistically a little bit here. So sometimes that's not always the best approach, right? Like you're now like, is that going to be fast enough? Is that going to actually, get me the information I need? What happens if something fails before that?